Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. Alright, let's begin. Currently, there is no way to view a detailed list of your recent subscribers directly inside the official YouTube mobile application. However, you can easily access this information by utilizing your device's internet browser instead. To start, launch your preferred web browser and search for studio.youtube.com to open the web version of the creator platform in a new tab. If prompted, select the option to continue to the desktop studio site rather than downloading the mobile app. Once your channel dashboard loads completely, you will need to pinch and zoom in toward the bottom sections of the main page layout. Locate the module labeled Recent Subscribers. Within this section, tap on the See All button to expand a dedicated pop-up panel displaying your public followers. By default, this list displays users who have joined your audience within the past 90 days. To view your complete history, click on the timeframe filter drop-down menu at the top right corner and change the selection to lifetime. The page will refresh to display your comprehensive subscriber base accordingly. So that's basically how you can see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. That's it for this video. Thanks!